Okay, so we just learned that the greenhouse effect is essentially like a blanket that's thrown around the Earth that acts to insulate some of the heat. So not all of the heat that came in from the sun and absorbed by the Earth is just bounced back out and lost to space. So instead we have this blanket that goes around the Earth that traps some of the heat and can be absorbed back by the Earth. Remember, without this greenhouse effect, life on Earth would be too cold. We wouldn't be able to have us, plants, food, any of that. So the greenhouse effect is a good thing, in moderation, of course. So here are two simple models, and we can think about the climate as up here we have without a greenhouse effect, and down here we have with the greenhouse effect. And essentially with these models, we're saying just what we said before. So think about all of the heat that's coming from the sun, and it's absorbed by the Earth. And without a greenhouse effect, all of that heat would just go out and be lost to space. And like I said, the heat coming from the sun, just like this, it's not enough for life. Like, it would be too cold. So down here, I'm showing you a simple model of what it would be like without the greenhouse effect. So we usually represent the greenhouse effect as a little pane of glass right here. So think about a greenhouse in general and what that does. So we kind of just have that up here in the atmosphere. Down here is our Earth. So remember, sunlight is able to pass through that piece of glass, just like in a greenhouse. It heats up the Earth, and then the Earth releases the heat back up into the atmosphere. And when you have this greenhouse effect, this piece of glass, the heat that's released by the Earth is trapped in the greenhouse layer, and some of that heat will go up back out into space, but importantly, some of that heat bounces off that piece of glass and goes back down into the Earth. So it's because you have this extra bouncing of heat and then being able to absorb that back into the Earth, that's what heats up our Earth to a place where we can actually live and have food and grow things and all of these great things. So remember here, these arrows right here is the key difference. So here, no greenhouse effects, all the energy, all the heat that was absorbed coming from the sun by the Earth is released back out into space. When you have this plane of glass that we represent as the greenhouse layer, the greenhouse effect, all the sunlight is able to go into the Earth and be absorbed by the Earth. But then when you have the release of heat back out from the Earth, the greenhouse layer is able to absorb that heat, and then some of it will be reflected back out into space, but then some of it will bounce and be absorbed again by the Earth. And it's this little extra bouncing of heat back down to the Earth. That's what makes life possible. So next we'll learn a little bit more about what is this greenhouse layer. And so remember, in general it's a good thing. The next step we'll be learning about the enhanced greenhouse effect, which is causing the problems that we're seeing now with global warming.